In today's video, I will show you step-by-step process of how to set Supertrend indicator in TradingView. Just open up your browser and search for TradingView. After opening the TradingView chart, simply click on Indicators, then type in the search bar Supertrend. Simply click here, and your Supertrend indicator is activated. If you want to use Supertrend strategy indicator as well, then click here, and then click here. From here, you can see all the details of Supertrend strategy. The Supertrend indicator is a popular technical analysis tool used in trading to identify the direction of the market trend and generate buy or sell signals. Unlike traditional moving averages or trend lines, the Supertrend indicator adjusts dynamically to price movements, making it highly responsive to market volatility. It consists of a single line that overlays the price chart and changes color based on the prevailing trend, green for an uptrend and red for a downtrend. This simplicity and visual clarity make the Supertrend an effective tool for traders looking to capture momentum and manage risk in various market conditions. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.